Hi, this is Yvette from Yvette's Kitchen, and today I wanted to teach you how to make a strawberry puree. It's very simple, and you can make this strawberry puree. You can put it in ice cream, you can put it in other dishes, you can use it when you make a cake, like when you make a chiffon cake, you can use that. You can use it as a topping for cheesecake as well. Today I am just doing the strawberry puree, and I'm going to do another video where I make a chia pudding, and I'm going to show you how to combine the two together to make a yummy snack that you can also have for breakfast. Okay, so what you're going to start out with is 1 cup of chopped up very good strawberries. I boiled my strawberries for less than a minute. You let it boil a little bit. You're going to take them out of the hot water. Then you're going to put them in a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you could probably also use a blender. And you see it has some of the juice in it from boiling it. And you're just going to pour it all in. Yummo. Very good. I'm going to put this here. And if you want to make it a little bit sweeter, you don't have to use it, but I want it a little tiny bit sweeter. Actually, not a full. You're going to take maybe less than a teaspoon. Just a teeny bit. See, it's less than a teaspoon of maple syrup, and you're going to put that in there. Okay. And this is, like I said, it's so simple to make. And it's filled with antioxidants, because strawberries are filled with antioxidants. And if I can figure out how to put the cover on it, we can get going. You may want to cover the top, because it spits. And you're just gonna keep going, pressing the 2 buttons until it's fully pureed. And I can smell it from here. It smells beautiful. Yeah, I think it's about done. Yummo. See? Oh my God, it tastes so good. So now, I'm going to take this. Now this will store in your refrigerator for about a week. If not, you could freeze it if you want to keep it longer. Let me take this out. Just pour it in. See how beautiful it looks? And this is super, super, super yummy. And today, I am going to use this as a topping for my ice cream. Super yummo. You could add fruit on top. Let's take some more of this to pour on here. This is so, so good. Oh my God. You could add fruit, you could add nuts as extra topping, and just enjoy. It's such a simple recipe to make. Again, like I said before, I will post the recipe to this below, but I will be doing another video on how to make chia seed and use this yummy puree as part of that chia seed pudding recipe, and that will come up probably tomorrow. Okay, this is Yvette LeBoy from YvetteLeBoy.com. Thank you for coming into my kitchen and joining me on making this beautiful strawberry puree. You can follow me on YouTube as Yvette LeBoy Lupus Wellness Coach. On Instagram, I'm One Holistic Diva, and from Lupus to Living. And on Facebook, I'm Yvette LaBoy, Lupus Wellness Coach.
Thank you for joining me.
See ya.